Today I'm going to show you how to fade in on a clip using the dip to black transition effect. We're going to do this by creating an adjustment layer. So come to your project panel on the left side, right click, go to new item and adjustment layer. Keep these settings the same as your sequence settings and click OK. The adjustment layer then appears in your project panel. You can drag this on top of your clip and we're going to apply the effect to the adjustment layer. So go over to the right side of your panel and click Effects, Video Transitions and Dissolve. Here you'll find the dip to black video effect transition, and we're going to drag this onto our adjustment layer right at the start here. If you zoom in, you can see it shows that it says dip to black. That's the effect on the adjustment layer. If you click on it, it will appear in the effects control panel in the top left, and this is where you can start making changes to it. So if I just click play, you see we fade in quite quickly. I don't want it to be that quick, so I'm going to drag the effect out. You can go to the bottom right and it will open the handle here and it will slow it down for you. But it takes quite a long time to come in. There's a lot of black at the start here, which we don't want. So if we come to the start value here, where it says 0, we can change this to 50. Leave the end at 100. Now it's going to start at 50% rather than 0%. It comes straight in and it's a much more natural looking transition. I hope that helps. See you in the next one.